Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to change the battery on your Jaguar F-Pace key fob. First, gather your tools. You'll need a new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. This simple process can save you a trip to the dealership and ensure your key fob always works reliably. We'll go step by step, making it easy for anyone to follow along and get their key fob working like new in just a few minutes. Now, let's open the key fob. Find the small release button on the side and press it firmly. This will allow you to slide out the emergency key blade. Once the blade is removed, you'll see a small slot. Carefully insert your small flathead screwdriver into this slot and gently twist to separate the two halves of the key fob casing. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Pay close attention to how it's oriented, noting which side is facing up. Use your screwdriver to gently pry the old CR2032 battery out of its holder. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. It should fit snugly. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing, making sure all the edges match up. Gently press them together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely fastened. Slide the emergency key blade back into its slot. Now, test your key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your vehicle, to ensure everything is working perfectly. You've successfully changed your battery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.